I think we're gonna do that next. Let's take another quick walk. This place, I love this place. Me and Dave bicker a lot, but it's all in good fun. Dave, I hate you. Let's go see what Dave's doing. Dave, what are you doing over here?
Packing up my stuff.
You
taking a video?
Yeah. Yo, did you catch a fish?
I caught a Magambi.
Are you lying?
No, I'm not.
Do you have proof?
I have video proof.
Proof?
No, I don't have video proof. I have picture proof.
Picture proof?
I don't think his ginormous head is going to go on there.
Dude, I'll pick it up and smash it on there. Dude, it is so heavy. Why is that rock that heavy?
It's probably full of water.
Oh, I don't want to be near this. Is it close to going?
Like, this base is so nice.
Oh! A little forward. We're close. More forward. Just when we leave it, just run away from it.
It rolls down, goes right into the canoe, kills everything.
It's too far back.
Too far back?
Yeah.
Get a flatter rock.
I'll flatten your skull with my fist.
I'll flatten you.
Hold on.
I'll just give him a push.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Watch your toes, dude.
So we don't get killed.
No, so I don't get killed. I'm the one that gets hurt, remember?
Yeah, that's true. Oh! What happened? Oh, it's good.
Oh,
it's good.
Fucking rock man!
It's good, rock man! What do we make?
We made rock man!
Rock man! Look at his head, dude. He's got a mask. It's Iron Man. Look, he's got an Iron Man head.
Iron Man!
Iron Rock Man! What you doing?
Checking and mapping.
You mapping stuff?
I'm mapping. Doing the navigator.
So what do you think of the spot?
It's buggy.
This is boggy.
This is probably 626.
You know what I realized?
So,
Stepping on wet flippies is dangerous.
I realized breathing through a pen cap makes squeaky noises.
I know. Is that what that was?
Yeah.
I thought it was just you whimpering.
No, it's only you whimper like that in your sleep.
Oh. What's that sign? That looks
Canoe head.
That looks miserable. Canoe head.
That's like the
That
Is that like a danger canoe head?
Yeah, that's the Canadian sand squanch. That's
Oh.
what a Canadian sand squanch looks like.
Oh. You're like Twinkle Toes.
I am. Well, I don't want to step in muddy poo.
Oh, muddy, slippery flippies are a nightmare.
Yeah, walking on slippery, wet river rock and wet, slippery flips.
I know, it's slippery on both sides, under them and on them.
At this little guy, 626. The Portage Trail, the rapids. In front of the rapids down that way should be 710 and 627.
Okay.
So we're going to go that way. But
Okay.
that way.
Okay. And we're walking on the portage, right?
Not right now, but we are.
No, but we will be.
I definitely brought the proper footwear for this.
Me too. I feel like I'm not like gonna get hurt at all.
This is cool. This is real
This
cool.
is pretty cool.
This is real cool.
What's this? What's that pile of bricks over there?
Pile of bricks, probably.
See that?
Let's go take a walk over. Somebody that's definitely for a tent.
Oh, 100%.
Or like
So you'd run this? Would you run the rapids?
I would totally run these with my nose.
You think?
I'd probably die right there.
Right.
This has got to be 627. There should be another one on that hill there. And then we need the new to get down to the next ones because they're down around the next set of rapids. So there should
Which
be.
one do you think we're at?
I think we're at 627. So 710 looks like it's on the back side of this turn.
Yeah, so Dave fell. He fell. And he hurt his neck. I'm glad it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
I'm carrying out the gear while you're taking video.
Oh,
We just got to our new home.
do you need help?
No, you just keep shooting some video. I'll carry all the stuff. Don't you worry about it.
Okay.
You just keep doing what you're doing and keep taking video.
Ooh, you came close. That was a close view. Close shot. Look, he's doing work. He's only carrying his stuff though. Look, oh wait, no, he's got my water. He's got my water bottle. He's actually doing something. Ooh, it is. Get him in, get him in. Nice fish. It's a small big. That's a big small one.
That's it. Get it done, son.
Nice. Nice.
This is my tripod. I got it on sale.
Captain Bendy Legs.
I got it on sale at Target. It was still $100 though. That's what's.
But it packs down to nothing. That's the best
It does
part.
pack down to nothing. That's true. I don't feel like that should be $100 though, right?
Nah,
The legs aren't the same. There's like circles on them,
circle foot. Well, that's so you can hang it up if you have.
and there's like a weird string on it holding it together. I don't know. Shouldn't have been $100. So what do you think of your tent? The Kelty guy. How much was it?
118, I believe.
118. Is it a two-person?
Two-person.
You think?
22.
You think you and Linda could stay in it, huh?
Oh yeah, it's definitely roomy.
It's rumor.
Definitely roomy.
Kelty salad. That's cool.
Salad.
$100, you said. That ain't bad. It's better than like 500. Yeah.
For their weird
Skin
fabric.
condom tent.
Condom skin tent.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's good. It's super fancy.
Packs down to nothing.
It does. All my stuff packs down to nothing.
Yeah, that's why you have 140 liters of bag to
Probably more.
carry all of your nothing.
I bet you more. More liters. I'm hungry. Make food.
I made food.
Well, good. I want to eat it. Can we eat it now? Eat chicken?
I'm so sick of lemonade already.
fish
I can't wait to go home and drink something besides lemonade.
want
I thought like having like 5 different flavors of lemonade would make me happy. Oh yeah, that's great. My sunglasses are just on a hot, greasy plate.
No, I moved them. Have Kool-Aid.
It's still all just
It's still
lemonade.
It's still lemonade.
Everything is just lemonade.
I can't wait to go home. Well, what are you gonna have at home? Gatorade?
Beer. Cans and cans of beer. Lemonade. You want to taste some of that?
I love fish as long as it doesn't taste or look like fish.
Like fish, yeah. As long as it's deep fried and breaded, it's fine.
So you heard them, just 3 guys in the boat, right?
Yep, that's them right there. That's those 2 boats.
You heard them just driving.
They were going just like they are now. And they were going, they were running. I heard a bang, and I heard the motor rev, and then both motors shut off. And I was like, oh yeah, that's where that rock is that he was telling us about.
Yeah.
That nobody really knows where it's at. He knows where it's at now.
That's true, he does.
He is 100% aware of where that rock is now. Because I'm sure that woke them up, because they were taking that nice long happy cruise down the river over there.
Yeah, like big turns.
Wide open river too. Because I was going to say get it like this way, and then we could like paddle away and just come back over here. So it's like you paddle away.
Okay.
And then like we don't have to paddle, and then you like have a video of us just like going all the way around and paddling.
Well,
back.
but you chop that spot.
Well, I know, but we won't have to paddle like 100 miles. We'll paddle out and then turn off camera, and then we can just come right back.
One thing I do miss that I can't wait to go back to is sitting in the bathroom for like 45 minutes. Because here, you have to knife fight mosquitoes the entire time.
all the work.
What are you doing back there?
I'm taking us home because you're not doing any of that.
I'm creating memories. Like, I'm creating important memories. Or mail-maries.
For everybody else.
I'm creating mail-maries.
Looking down to get us here.
Dave, what do? We pulled over for a quick Sammy?
Yeah, we had a meat sandwich to put meat in our heads.
Meathead.
Meatheads.
Meathead.
We had some Portage single carry.
The right side of my body burns. I'm not sure why. It definitely burns a bit. It could be because there was this just sun on it for like at least about 4 or 5 or 8 hours. Yeah, so how was the lunch that I made?
Oh, it was good.
What was it?
It was a toasted wrap
Yeah.
with some Baby Bell cheese.
Yeah.
And some thin cut Genoa.
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 Genoa guy.
15 slices per wrap.
15 per wrap.
And
little
some
bit
mustard.
Of yellow mustard. And a little bit of Red Bull.
It's the jam. Yeah, Red Bull. Red Bull and a leave.
Red Bull and a leave.
Red Bull, a leave.
That like refuels you.
Yeah,
I needed fuel because I'm back here paddling. This is his paddle right here. See where it is? That's his paddle.
The only mistake we made is all the stuff that we needed was on the bottom of 4 70-liter packs.
Yeah.
So we had to unload the entire boat for lunch.
And
but it was worth it. It was well worth it.
because we packed up like nubs at the campsite, we didn't care what pouches we put it in. So not only did we have to open 4 bags, we also had to open every pouch.
The trip's over, except we'll have 10 more hours of it. Right?